There are two options to go from a PowerPoint to video ready files. My suggestion is to use PowerPoint to JPEG files. With this option, you can easily make each slide the length you need to display according to your voiceover information. To go from PowerPoint slides to JPEG files, you're going to make photos from your PowerPoint. Follow these steps. Open your PowerPoint presentation, go to File and select Export. Select Change File Type and use the JPEG interchangeable format. Select Save As and where you want to save it, and your photos will be ready to import into the editing software. If you're going to make a video from the PowerPoint, follow these steps. Open your PowerPoint presentation, go to File and select Export. Select Create a Video and use the Full HD 1080p setting. You can select and use the show timings, which will put a fade between each slide, or no timings, which will play it slide to slide. You can also select how long each side displays. 4 seconds is usually enough time to read the information, but if you want different timings, you can change it in this editing setting. Select Create Video and where you want to save it, and your video will be ready to import into the editing software. Once you have your PowerPoint media ready to import, open the CapCut software, select Create Project. Select Import from the top left window and find and select the files. Once they are imported, select the files and add them to the timeline by hitting the blue plus button on each file. Here's a hint: start with the last slide and work your way back to the first slide. Sometimes CapCut will put the whole slideshow in, depending if it recognizes it. From here, you can either record your voiceover or type the voice information and use the AI to text to video converter. AI voice can only generate 500 characters at a time, so you might have to do this step quite a few times. To use AI voice, add text to the track by clicking Text on the top left window and selecting Default Text. Click on the blue plus button to add. Once it is in the timeline, on top of your slides, click Text on the top right window. Copy the text you want to say and then select the words Default Text and paste your text where it says Default Text. This text will appear in the window, but don't worry, you'll delete it from showing later. Click on the text-to-speech in the top right of the window and select which character you'd like to use. You can click each character to hear a sample of what and how they say the text. Once you find your character, click on Generate Speech and it will put the voiceover in the timeline below your text. Once you're happy with the voice speed and placement, you can delete the text on top of your slides by simply clicking on the box to select it and hitting Delete. Once the audio is in place, adjust your timing of the slides by clicking on the whole slide and moving it, or clicking on the left or right side of each of the slides to either shorten or lengthen that slide. You can then repeat the AI audio steps as many times as needed to have all of your information spoken. Once you're happy with the way your video looks and are ready to export your video, simply click Export in the top right corner and click Export again and save it to your files.